Hello and welcome to Microsoft Excel tutorial from IT. This is tutorial number 53, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about COUNTIFs, SUMIFS and averages. So let's get started. Okay, so in the previous two videos we talked about COUNTIF and SUMIF, and the limitation is that the criteria can be maximum one, but if you want to have multiple criteria then gonna use these functions. Now if we talk about the syntax of this, COUNTIF requires at least two arguments, the range in which you're going to look for criteria and then the actual criteria, and then we have dot dot up, means after that you can add further more range and criteria. And then SUMIFS is a little bit different from COUNTIF, and over here you need to have the range on which you want to do the summation, then the criteria range, and then the criteria you're looking for, and then also you can add again a pair of criteria range and criteria. Same way we have averages, the range on which you want to do the aggregation, the criteria range, and then the criteria, and again you can add pairs of criteria range and criteria. So let's see over here how to use this. Over here I have list of customers, order amount, region and product category. Now over here I want to count that how many orders I received where the product category is computer peripherals and the region is British Columbia. So let's say insert a function, and I want to count COUNTIFs. Here it is, and click on OK. Now what is the use of COUNTIFs? You can see from here, count the number of cells is specified by a set of condition or criteria. So the first condition or criteria is gonna be based on product category. You can select the range, or if you have too many records it would be quite difficult to select, you can simply click on the header. So it means after in that entire column from top to bottom, wherever it finds that criteria. And then what is the criteria? So we are looking up for this particular cell, and the next criteria is going to be based on this region column, and I'm looking for British Columbia. So you can see over here instantly you are getting three results where British Columbia and computer peripherals, you have only three records. Below you don't have any British Columbia. So I'm fine with this, and I click on OK, and you get the result 3. Let's same way try working with equals to SUMIFS. So SUMIF require a sum range that you want to do summation on. So I want to do the summation on this column, comma, the criteria range is gonna be this column, comma, what is the criteria over here, comma, the region, comma, the region criteria is over here, and enter, and you get $201. So this is over here summation of these three cells. Okay. So next I'm going to select equals to average, and you can see so many average conditions are there. So we have average ifs, and the first one is average range, the column there you want to do for average, column, comma, then the criteria range, comma, the criteria we are looking for computer peripherals, comma, next is region column, comma, and we are looking for British Columbia, and press enter key and you get the result. So this way we have created this, and if I make any changes, for instance if I look for tables and there is no tables. Okay, so British Columbia doesn't have any tables, so let's say tables we have let's say this one. So copy and paste over here, and you get the result. So this is how we can perform the operation of SUMIF, COUNTIF and averageif. So hope you found this video useful. If you have any other questions or comments, please post in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.